Slow internet on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now on our screen, my internet is a bit pretty slow compared to normal internet out there. So as you can see, it's a pretty slow download speed. So we're going to try and fix our internet speed by simply modifying a bit our internet connection over here. So simply go to your Wi-Fi or from your settings, locate your connections and go to your Wi-Fi option over here and click on the Wi-Fi over here that you're currently connected to. After that, simply scroll down and you're going to click on IP settings. You're going to click on static, and over here, you're going to see that we have DNS1 and DNS2. Simply modify your DNS1 over here. So we're going to modify it to 8.8.8.8. So what is this DNS1 that I am inputting here? So 8.8.8.8 is actually Google DNS, which could help running or have a faster website loading time due to their optimized infrastructure. We're going to leave 8, or we're going to have here 8.8.4.4 as what was recommended before we type this, and simply click on apply. And we're going to check out our internet speed again over here to try if anything has changed. As you can see, so give it some time here. And it did not really affect or have much effect on my Wi-Fi because, or actually it does got faster a tiny bit over here, although it's jumping. But the Wi-Fi I'm connected to is actually an extender, so I'm not really sure if this is the best Wi-Fi to test it on. But anyway, try it out on your side and it might improve your internet connection on your Android phone. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.